Hello students, I hope you all are safe and enjoying your studies through online resources. Let us begin today's session. Before doing exercise 2.4, let us see the factor theorem, which is on page number 40 in your textbook. You will underline the statement of the theorem. It says if p of x is a polynomial of degree and greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then 1. X minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a is equal to 0, and if p of a is equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of p of x. Underline the statement. Now what it says that we will see while doing sums. Now exercise 2.4, question number 1. Before starting the exercise, students, there are some instructions for you. Look onto the screen how I have written title full exercise 2.4. Do not write just EX 2.4. Write whole word exercise 2.4 and like this give title, and then you need to write the question also. Do not start sums directly. You need to write question also. And after completing each question, you will draw a line with pencil. Remember this again and again, it won't be said to you. Question number 1. Determine which of the following has x minus 1 as a factor. Now students, we need to determine for different polynomials whether x plus 1 is a factor or not. Now what we will do? What is a factor we need to determine? X plus 1. So this is our polynomial and this is a factor. So what we will do? This method already we studied. X plus 1 equal to 0 we will keep. Okay. Then what will be x? It will be minus 1. This one go this side, it becomes minus. Now what we will do? This x value we will keep in the polynomial. What is our polynomial? P of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. For that we will find p of minus 1. That will be equal to minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Minus cube, so it will be minus 1. Minus square will become plus 1 square 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Answer is 0. Now p of minus 1 we got as 0. What does that mean? That means x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Remember students, this way x plus 1 was 0, so x is equal to minus 1 we got. If we will keep that value in polynomial, if we get answer 0, it is a factor. If we do not get answer 0, then it is not a factor. This method we will follow for all. Let us do sum number 2. Question is x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. We have x plus 1 that we have to determine whether it is a factor or not. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. X will become minus 1. Our p of x is x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. What we will do? P of minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 plus minus 1 raised to 3 minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Let us solve it. Minus and raised to 4 even number. That means it will be plus. Minus 1 cube it is. So it is minus 1. Minus 1 square plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. We are left with 1. Is it 0? No, it is not equal to 0. Here we did not get answer 0. What does this mean? X plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. Let us do sum number 3. Sum number 3 is x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. What we need to determine? X plus 1. So that equals to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. This value we will keep in polynomial. This is our polynomial. We will write p of minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 plus 3 into minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 multiplied with minus 1 raised to 2 plus minus 1 and plus 1. Right? So, minus 1 raised to 4, even number. So, it will become plus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 cube minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 square 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 3 plus 3, this minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled, so we are left with 1, which is not equal to 0. What does this mean? X plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. Number 4. Again, x plus 1 we will keep as 0. X will be equal to minus 1. Our polynomial is p of x equals to x cube minus x square minus in bracket 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. Again, we will find p of minus 1. So, minus 1 cube minus minus 1 square minus 2 plus root 2. X value is minus 1 plus square root 2. Let us solve it. Minus 1 cube will be minus 1 minus this minus 1 square will become plus 1. Okay. Minus 2 root 2 into minus 1 plus square root 2. Now students, look properly. This is minus 1 and this is minus 1. Minus minus plus and sign will be minus 1 plus 1, 2. Right? Okay. Now, this minus 1 I am writing front. So, minus 1 and bracket 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. Minus 2 minus minus will be plus. And this one will be multiplied with this 2. Okay, so this is one bracket which will be multiplied with both the numbers. Okay, so this has become already plus, minus minus plus, so that we kept. 1 multiplied with 2 is 2 plus 1 multiplied with square root 2, that is square root 2 plus this is left root 2. Here you can see minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. Root 2. It is as x plus x. So it is 2x. It is a plus a, 2a. Here it is root 2 plus root 2. So what it will become? It will become 2 root 2. Is it 0? No, it is not equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. This is all about question number 1.